Hi everybody, my name is MJ. Welcome back to MJ Trampoline. In today's video, I'm going to be discussing some things. Check it out. Hold up. Chaos. Chaos. Guys, do you see that? Do y'all see that? Bro, what is that? Bro, Chaos, what happened? Bro, Chaos, what happened? Yeah, I don't have no idea what happened to my girl. My Chaos. But I'm finna go ask my dad, and I'll see you in a minute. Yeah, found out what happened, what that giant scar is on my doggo. Apparently, it's a scar. It's a scar, and since she actually, my parents told me, the Chaos had a surgery, so she can't have any more. So Chaos had a surgery, and she got like something removed that lets her have babies. So yeah, she got that removed, and that's what that giant scar was. That's where she got surgery at. Chaos! Where you at? Chaos, come here. Come here, girl. Come here. Up, girl. Say hi. Yeah, apparently she doesn't want to say hi. Come on, girl. Come on, Chaos. Chaos, come on. Yes. So, guys, that's gonna be the end of the video. Gotta check this out.